How much money should you have saved by every age? If you're wondering whether you're on track with your finances or if you're falling behind, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll break it down step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much you should aim to have saved at each stage of your life. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, The Golden Rule of Saving. Before we dive into the numbers, here's a simple rule of thumb. You should aim to have saved an amount equal to your annual salary by age 30, twice your salary by age 40, and so on. This is based on financial expert recommendations for long-term stability. But let's break it down further. Chapter 2, Savings Goals by Age. Alright, let's go age by age. Age 2025, the foundation years at this stage, focus on building good money habits. Ideally, you should aim to save at least half of your annual salary by 25. If you make $40,000 a year, try to have $20,000 saved. Prioritize an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, and start investing early. Even small amounts in a 401k or Roth IRA can make a big difference later. Age 30, your first major milestone. By 30, aim to have saved 1 times your annual salary. If you're making $50,000 a year, try to have at least $50,000 in savings and investments. This is where consistent investing and avoiding lifestyle inflation really pay off. Age 40, doubling up by 40, the goal is to have at least 2 times your salary saved. If you're earning $70,000 a year, your savings should be around $140,000. Maxing out retirement accounts and increasing your investment contributions can help you stay on track. Age 50, the big push. At 50, you should aim for 4 to 5 times your salary. If you're earning $80,000, you should be sitting on at least $320,000 to $400,000. This is a great time to catch up on savings if you've fallen behind, especially since many retirement accounts allow higher contributions after 50. Age 60, retirement readiness. By 60, the goal is at least 6 to 8 times your salary. If you're making $100,000 at this stage, your retirement savings should be between $600,000 and $800,000. Consider your withdrawal strategy, healthcare costs, and potential passive income sources. Age 65 plus, the finish line. By retirement age, aim for 8 to 10 times your salary in savings. That means if your final working salary was $100,000, you should have $800,000 to $1 million saved. Social Security, pensions, and investment withdrawals will all play a role in making your money last. Chapter 3, Final Tips to Stay on Track. Now, if you're behind on savings, don't panic. Here are some ways to catch up. Increase your savings rate. Even an extra 1–2% can make a big difference over time. Cut unnecessary expenses. Prioritize needs over wants. Take advantage of employer 401k matches, that's free money. Invest wisely, compound interest is your best friend. Consider side income streams, more money, more savings. The best time to start saving was yesterday. The second best time is today. Whether you're 25, 35, or 55, taking action now will set you up for a better future. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.
See you in the next video.